Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable notifications on app icons on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. In settings, you want to go down and tap on home screen. Next, we swipe up to go down and tap on app icon badges. In here, tap on notifications on app icons. So what this feature does is that it allows you to touch and hold on the app icon to show the notifications content. So here, now that I have turned on this feature, if I touch and hold on this text messages app, at the moment you can see I have two notifications. So if I touch and hold, it will show a contextual menu or a pop-up, and from here it has a notifications. It shows the last or the latest notifications from this app with the content shown below right here. Now if I switch it off, so if I switch it off in here, then you can see that if I touch and hold on the text messages app, it will not show the notifications content. And that is how you can have it turn on or turn off to show the notification contents when you touch and hold on the app icon. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.